My name is Dr. Susan Rogers. I'm a licensed clinical psychologist, a retired reservist, and the Director of Military Psychological Services.
And I'm Dr. Sherry Webb, Director of Psychological Services with HowToConnect.com.
One of the most heart-wrenching experiences in my 30 years of military service time was to see the effects of multiple deployments, permanent change of station, PCS, and the loss of significant caretakers on the lives of children of service members. When one or both parents are deployed, children experience a sense of loss, fear, and confusion. When they are in this situation, we may have difficulty comforting them. Children have few people they can discuss their emotions with, and they may not even have the words to do so. Military parents deal with their own issues about deployment and preparing themselves to leave. Sometimes children's feelings are not addressed. This situation becomes even more pressing when it is a single-headed household and that parent deploys. Another issue that impacts children is moving to a new state or country, or PCSing. This means that children have to leave their school and friends. This creates much uncertainty in them, and they can develop anxiety. This anxiety may be exhibited through acting out behavior or reverting back to age-inappropriate behavior. I believe the most difficult situation for children to deal with is the death of a parent, specifically from deployment. The sadness and loss is difficult for us all, but for a child, it is overwhelming. Part of the reason they may feel overwhelmed is that they may not have the ability to say what's bothering them. Again, parents dealing with their own grief may have little left in their own emotional upheaval to deal with their children's issues of loss.
We think of children as being energetic, happy, and playful. However, children also experience moments of sadness, grief, and loss. Dr. Rogers has described her firsthand experience with the challenges that sons and daughters of military parents face on a daily basis. Parents can do much to help children cope with their fears and adjust to the many changes that growing up in military families brings them. Children do not talk about sadness the way adults do. They show us their pain in the occurrence of bad dreams and stomach aches, by having problems with schoolwork, by being clingy or acting younger than their years. Some children desire to be rocked and held, while others have tantrums, misbehave, and become angry over situations that are beyond their control. It is important for parents to recognize such signs of distress in children, do what they can to offer support at home, and know when to seek professional help and advice. Moms and dads can spend as much time with children as possible. Children are comforted by a parent's presence. Moms and dads can encourage children to talk and describe what they are feeling. Children need to know that it is okay to feel sad, confused, or angry. Moms and dads can make sure that children's basic needs are met, that their days consist of familiar routines, and that children have been given clear, reasonable expectations for their behavior. Moms and dads can make sure that children have plenty of time to be curious, to explore, and to play. Moms and dads can be calm role models for good coping skills. Children take their cues about how to handle the changes in life by watching their parents. Most of all, moms and dads can reassure children that they will be cared for and are much loved. Moms and dads should seek professional advice when their own distress hinders their ability to parent or when their children continue to exhibit behaviors that cause concern. We invite you to visit the military and parenting sections of this site often for information, encouragement, and support. This site exists to help military families cope and guide children through the challenging times of their lives.